Uncle Chris smells so good. Hey, nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. I just wanted to let you know what we're doing for dinner tonight. Something healthy. Dinner salad with turkey, croutons, avocado, some pepper jack cheese. Of course, we got tomato. When I say tomato, right? I'm gonna add some onion because some people don't like onion, but I like onion. All right, I got iceberg lettuce in here. It is gonna be a nice change because guess what? I'm challenging you, nieces and nephews, to eat healthy with me. Uncle Chris is gonna try to lose 50 pounds. Yes, I am. So I'm challenging you to send in your healthy recipes right now. And I'm going to feature them on Uncle Chris. Yes, I got the videos coming up. I know what you all want me to cook, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Also got some diabetic friendly dishes coming up too. And, of course, low sodium. Now, I want y'all to take a look at Uncle Chris's kitchen. All right? This is the way it is right now. And look at that. Look at that. Look down there. So what we're going to do, this is the before. We're going to do a slight renovation, just slight. We're going to do the floor. We're going to do the cabinets. And we're going to fix the countertops where they were messed up by tenants in here. See how the countertops got messed up? And see how beautiful they used to be with the shiny glitter? Oh, yeah. I will show you how it goes. And then we're also going to take a tour of the living room and show you what a difference things make when you go to the resale shop. I got 2 doors free. I'll show you that shopping excursion tomorrow. I know, anticipation. All right. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe. Send in your recipes now down below, okay? All right? All right. I love you all out there so much. Hey, city girl. Eat with T. Everybody check out Eat with T. She's going to be doing critiquing of restaurants that we should know about, okay? All right. Big love from Uncle Chris. Bye-bye.